everybody, Don here again. Well, I know I said my trip up to Lake Champlain was my last trip of the year, but I just couldn't let my year end on a skunk. So I am back at the Contoocook River. First time I've been here this year, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful morning. So hang out. I'm going to put the kayak in. The water's a little bit low, but not bad. Go ahead and put the drive unit in. Water looks plenty deep. It's a guy that's going to be duck hunting down. I know right where he's going to be, so I told him I'd let him go down first. Good luck, man. I hope I hear some shooting.
All right. I hope I hear some fish splashing.
Have a good one. All right. Well, here I am back on the river for the first time this year. And, you know, I fish this river a lot. But I didn't fish this year because, as you guys know that watch my channel, all summer long I was wrapped up in those KBF tournaments. There's nice fish in here, smallmouth, but they generally tend to be small. And the tournaments I was looking for inches, so I never fished. The reason I'm fishing this river now is because last weekend I got skunked, and that was going to be my last trip of the year. I've never been skunked on this river. Oh, and first cast right into the tree. I got it out, thankfully. Well, it's a beautiful day. It's about 48 degrees, so it's going to be a little chilly. I might get overheated. It's only supposed to get up to 55. A lot of leaves on the water, so top water might not be the way to go, but I gotta give it a try. I really want to catch a fish on this jackhammer. So if I don't pedal, the wind's blowing me right back up the river. I don't have a trailer on this chatterbait at all. I might try one of those minnows as a trailer. All right, we're going with the double whammy. I put one of these Z-Man minnows on the Z-Man jackhammer. So this was from Randy and this is from Titus. Maybe the combo will do the trick. Looks a lot better. Oh man. If I don't catch something on this, I don't know what's going on, but down here there's some good lumber I want to fish to. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, over. Come on. Oh, I am having a day. Typical day. Don's in the trees, he's over the logs. Maybe it's a good thing this is my last fishing trip of the year, and it definitely is. There we go. Oh, get out of there. All right, brought some of it with me, no problem. Alright, I guess I'll cast to this other tree. Oh, come on. Oh, I put the chatterbait right up into that branch. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it out. Well, I got it. I'm gonna have to retie it. Look at that one. It wrapped around that branch 4 times. Whew! I wonder if I can get that. I'm not even gonna try. Not even gonna try. I'm just gonna cut it. Thank my lucky stars that that branch broke. And retie it. Oh, I would have been sorely disappointed if I would have lost that chatterbait the first day out with it. Whew. I would have been bummed, Titus. That too awesome of a bait to lose by being stupid. Thing about fishing small rivers with a lot of nice timber that you want to cast to is that that kind of thing happens. I mean, underneath these trees is prime territory. Whew, that was close. Whew. Been here over an hour, not a bite. It's very unusual. But man, it's just worth being on the water. God, it's beautiful. Hear a few geese honking. This right here is the edge of the cornfields, and it goes all the way around. There's a big, huge farm over here. Oh, I think where Hugh is hunting is down, quite a ways down. Those geese are probably leaving the corn. Oh, gonna do a branch. Oh, I can see it right there. Just got on one of these little branches. You can see these trees. This is one of the perils of fishing this water. Oh. Lots of branches. But lots of cover for fish too. There's an area here where there's a lot of trees coming up. That's generally a pretty good spot. It's also pretty treacherous as far as getting snagged. I wonder if this cold front has them turned off. You know, yesterday it was 75, and today's high is only supposed to be 52. We had I woke up in the night to thunder. We had a brief little thunder shower run through, but when I got up at 4, sky was clear. I think that front came through last night, and things cooled down dramatically, and that could be why the bite is off, but I don't care. I can be skunked on a day like today and not mind one bit. The wind is really picking up though, isn't it? Holy moly. Seems like the wind has died down a little bit. Uh-oh. Got a rudder malfunction. That's not good. Uh-oh, what's going on? I need to get to a spot on the shore where I can figure out what's going on. Gonna have to paddle and fight the rudder. I got something jammed in there. I really don't want to paddle all the way back. Fighting a rudder that's hard right. Is it's oh, don't lose a rod. Pretty deep all the way over here. Looks like I might be able to get out here. Yeah. Probably mud. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Having a rudder malfunction. I think I'm going to have to take it off because the cable somewhere in here is hung up and I can't get it to turn and to break free. The cable's all kind of twisted up. Unfortunately, I'm on a muddy bank. It just wants to suck me in. So, I want to unscrew the rudder. What's going on? there's something wrong up front. So, whew, well, that's a bummer. But at least I had the tool. All right. Well, now I got the boat pulled up on the bank. So far. Don't break your paddle, then you're really screwed. All right. I may be able to pedal and just use the paddle as a rudder. Whew. Whew. What a mess. Look at this crap. Well, as you can see, I'm having to use the paddle as a rudder, but I can still pedal, which is a big plus. Without a rudder, this boat kind of wants to wander, but it doesn't matter. It's a beautiful day. This was going to be my last trip of the year anyhow, so it's all good. Just as Karen would say, the misadventures of Don continue. Man, it's pretty out here today. It's been an awesome year with this kayak. I've had very little problems other than self-inflicted. I don't know what's going on with the rudder, but that might be self-inflicted too. I don't know. But it's been an awesome year to have this boat. I had a blast with it. And although this is my last fishing trip of the year, there'll probably be plenty more misadventures to come. I've got tree stands out, and I'm going to start bow hunting next weekend. I still got to find me a squirrel. Never knew squirrels were so hard to find. But lots of more good stuff to come. Peace. Thanks for coming along.